Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to buy OHM from Olympus DAO and stake it in order to earn yield. So I'm going to start off here on SushiSwap, and we're going to go over to the app, and we're going to grab the token. It might already show up in your common bases, or you could look up OHM. We're looking for Olympus here. I'm looking to buy some OHM with USDC. So I'm going to swap from USDC to OHM. Select just a small amount just for the purpose of this video. Now we have to approve USDC for spending. Wait for that transaction to go through. Alright, now that transaction has gone through, so we're going to hit swap to swap USDC to OHM. This gives the information about the trade and that technically it's routing through the Sushi DAI pool first between USDC and OHM. Price impact is pretty small, somewhat small. There's a decent amount of liquidity in here, but it does have a small price impact. And notice that I have to accept the price change since the price has moved slightly on me. I'm going to accept that. Now I'm going to confirm the swap. Accept that in MetaMask. And at this point, it is also useful to add OHM to your MetaMask so that you can see the token in your wallet. And you can do that automatically from that button like that. Now that transaction has now been confirmed, so we have OHM in our wallet. So from there, we're going to go over to olympusdao.finance, and this is where you can get more information about the project, or you could also see our video that we have on Olympus DAO. And now I'm going to enter the app, go to stake. So we need to connect our wallet. I'm going to select MetaMask. Select the right account. From there, we can put in a certain amount of tokens, or I'm just going to hit max, so it's going to stake all of the OHM that I currently have in this account. I need to approve this transaction so that my tokens can be sent. Confirm that, and wait for that transaction to go through. Alright, now that approval transaction has gone through, and now hit stake OHM after hitting max again to put all of the OHM I have in to be staked. So I'm going to hit stake. There. Confirm that transaction. Wait for that to confirm. Alright, and now that transaction has been confirmed. We can see that the OHM has moved from the Your Balance section to the Your Stake Balance section. So now it is staked and earning yield on Olympus DAO. That's all for now. I hope you found this video useful, and I'll see you in the next one.